Hello, this is RingRing. Welcome to the Kotlin Multiplatform Learning Series for Android engineers. In this video, we'll be learning about handling local key value stores in Kotlin Multiplatform using a sample app called Native UI TODO app. The source code for the TODO app can be obtained from the GitHub URL provided in the description below. We'll be using multi-platform settings in this video. Multi-platform settings is a open source library for saving data locally in key value format in Kotlin Multiplatform. By using this library, you can implement common code allowing Android to use SharedPreference and iOS to use NSUserDefaults. It also provides an experimental module that internally uses Android's DataStore and Coroutine APIs. Now let's dive into the usage of the simplest No-arg version module through actual source code. The code you're seeing handles reading and writing Boolean values, prioritizing simplicity and utilizing the No-arg module. The settings in the repository are directly initialized in this class. If you need encryption or want to separate files for storage, you'll typically need to generate settings for each platform using the regular module. That's it for the explanation in this video. So thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more content on Kotlin Multiplatform.